Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, welcome back. Hey, another Wednesday, another shave. And how many of you's looked at the thumbnail and went, huh? How's he got that already? Yes, we'll have a run through the stuff. But here is the star of the show. The Cyclotrode with a 24mm Perihelion knot. I was just thinking of all the good times that we're going to have. See, Pericomo for the good time. Okay, there you go. Come on, let's get the tattoo. See, I'm wasted here, me. I'm wasted here. There you go. Tablette. You're all thinking that, you know, John. You're just wasted. Right, meet the Cyclotrode, possibly, no, definitely, your new favourite shaving brush. Once more, it does glow in the dark though, but it won't work here because there's too much light coming in from that window. Once more, our tip of the hat to the ever-ready lucite brushes of years gone past. See, both of these classics from the same decade, by the time the roll it comes, there it goes. So it's... Can you see it, that brush there, the little one? It's a tip, it's a nod of the hat to that. Let's have a look. Here we go. Look at that. Well, first things first, it's actually quite heavy. I mean, it's not, you know, but it is. It's a chunky monkey. Look at that. That's a soft knot, that, guys. Very soft. And look at that on the bottom. I don't think it's gonna. I think it's too dark to have a look. Have a ding dang do. Hey, look. Hey, that's not bad. Come on, we'll stand over here. Well, yeah. Yeah. There's too much. It's still pretty light out there, but there you go. That was no. Let's get that autofocus on there. There you go. And we're going to put that in a different official, the second official John Shave Super Soaker. Look at that. We're going to put that in there. And being as how that's the star of the show, that's what we'll talk about. Look. Here we go. The Soap and the Splash Coconut Bay. Now, I don't like bay rum. But this, I don't know, it says Coconut Bay. It is a bay rum scent, isn't it? But to me, to my nose, oh, I get a wonderful, warm, spicy coconut to it. And you go on PAA, guys, look at that, £35. Gives it, you know, in English, £35 for the set. Okay, now I just putting it out there, I buy all my stuff direct from PA. I bought that brush direct from PA. All my soaps and splashes I buy direct from PAA. I know I've had several people commenting about, well, you're not including postage. No, I'm not, because I buy hundreds of items a year online and I never factor postage into them. So I'm just not going to turn around now when I buy a shaving brush and go, oh, you know, Doug, it's wrong that, you know, I think of this postage. No, it doesn't matter. That brush was £21. And I'll be honest with you guys, you will struggle to find a better quality brush for £21 in all of planet Earth than that one. You really will. But anyway, come on, we've come down here to the Soap and Splash coconut bay rum scent profile. My mind's racing away thinking about that brush. Alright, so we've got coconut, West Indian bay, spices, lime, sweet, creamy, slightly exotic smell of coconut, wrapped in a Jolly Roger of tropical spices with a playful citrus, limey top note. Guys, and I'll be honest with you, I don't get the limes so much in here, but I do get the coconut, and you get the lovely warm spices. I'm looking forward to seeing how this is going to behave here. We're going to balm up with that Dermot O'Leary, bergamot and basil. It's Dermot O'Leary. Do you know, if you're outside the UK, he's a TV presenter, an absolute clown. I don't like him, but the TV companies seem to love throwing money at these people, don't they, to present the shows. I mean, I could present that show. Anyway, I digress. The razor. Woof. PAA Metaphor razor. This was gifted to me by Scout Ian, and I thank him every time I use it. And do you know why? This is probably, was it in my top 5 razors? If it wasn't, I think it should have been. This is certainly one of my favourite razors. It's absolutely wonderful shave. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful shave. Really do like it a lot. I'll show you the bottom. You see the writing on there. Try and get it so that the light catches it. What we're going to be putting in it, John. Oh, hang on. We're getting there. Here, I don't remember using these blades, but I must have done. Diamonds. What they call Diamond Pro Cell blades. The packs. Let's see how many's in it. I have got. Yeah, there's one in it, but I know I've got some other diamond blades in there that are loose, so I don't know how that's happened. That's how it looks. Let's have a look and see inside, see if we can get. Well, it's sharp, eh? And he's all screaming now what it would be, John. It's a razor blade. Right, let me have a no. All it says on it is Diamonds Pro Cell. If you know, there's nothing on the packaging. If you know who makes these, you've got any info on them, let me know. I have a feeling this is going to be a good shave because you get a feel. I know they're all razor blades. You get a feel from that. That felt really, really sharp. Really sharp. Okay. Here we go. We'll stick that in there. Is it bedtime yet? We'll wet the face. And then we'll crack on. As you can imagine, because I did a bonus shave yesterday, there isn't a lot to take down. And I don't want to overshave and try and get back on track for Saturday. So I might just do a couple of passes and then we'll leave it. Here we go. Slightly damp brush. There. You know, the way I like to go, I like to load onto the brush. What we're gonna do here? What was that? What would you say that was? 5 seconds. Go back and time it out, and we'll see. You've seen it in real time. Wow. Well, I'll tell you. Come on. I'll tell you right now, it's very, very, very soft. I mean, I think Doug uses this knot in another brush I've got in there. The Doppler, I think it is. But it doesn't feel this soft in the Doppler. I mean, this feels really soft, guys. I can't overemphasize that enough. That's bizarre. Very, very soft. Very luxurious. And it goes back, it ties into what I'm saying, guys. £21. Now the postage will be a lot if you get it from the USA. That's just life. That's nothing to do with Doug, nothing to do with PA. You've just got to suck it up. £21, that, guys. Look at that. Absolutely wonderful. I don't think you'll get a brush anywhere for £21 of that quality. But I'm sure someone will correct me in the comments. But that's a nice brush, come on. So, how are you doing? My face will be red raw after. It does not like shaving more than 3 or 4 times a week. Everyone seemed to like the Halloween shave that I did. Take a look at that if you haven't seen it already. Thanks, guys, for all the wonderful comments. Yeah. Right, this. Okay. This is an odd one. this, let me have a look at this now. There is not a great amount of blade exposure, look. But that's a very, very sharp blade. Do you know how Kais are a hair's width wider than normal blades? I'm willing to bet they're a hair's width narrower. And that's because this is a very efficient razor. And that's a very sharp blade. But the two of them together like this, very, very mild. And I suppose, you know, it's what I needed, isn't it? Look at this, guys. Look at this, it could keep going. I'll show you that spray again. Look at that. You seen that? Oh yeah. If you've got skin issues, if you've got sensitive skin, this is the brush for you. That's unbelievably soft. I'm going to have a look into that. I'm definitely going to have to do a side-by-side after, when that's dried, between that and the Doppler, because it's the same knot, but that's way, way softer than any PA knot I've ever experienced. So let me know what your shaves of the day are. Let me know what you think of the stuff used in today's shave. Once again, it wasn't the shave I had planned. But I only ordered that brush about 5 days ago, maybe 6 days ago. I don't even think that. The day it came out. And when I came home today, it was waiting for me. So I couldn't wait until Saturday. No, not a chance. Got to get it out of your system, haven't you? Yeah. That razor is doing a stand-up job. Well, it will do. I mean, the blades is... If you've got any info, shall I show you the display on that cheek? Just in case. Just in case there's somebody sat there going, no, the other cheek, John, that's just not fair. Oh, honestly, guys. I had to go today and pick a pallet up for work. And I got to this place. They make bricks, building bricks. And I went and I seen the little man. I said, I've come to collect a pallet. It was a mortar that was on the pallet. Okay, he says, have you been inducted? I said, inducted? Inducted what? I mean, it's like a field with some pallets in it. No, you need an induction. I went, alright, okay. Go and wait over there in that office and we'll send somebody for an induction. I waited in the office for about 15 minutes. Guy comes over. Are you here for the induction? Here for the induction. It sounded like I'd come miles away and walked across the road. I said, yeah. Okay, he says. Have you filled out the questionnaire? I went, what questionnaire? He went, the questionnaire you have to fill out before we do the induction. I went, no, I haven't. I'll go and get it. Oh, he goes, questionnaire. I went, right, okay, we're doing the induction now. You need an identity sheet. What's an identity sheet? It's a sheet, you have to fill this sheet in. Name, date of birth, vehicle registration. Okay. Filled that in. Have you got safety shoes? I said, yeah, these are safety shoes I'm wearing. 15 minutes later, when I'd given up the will to live, you have to drive all the way around. I drove all the way around this field. Right. The guy came out. Are you here for the motor? I said, I am. Okay. I need to go and see my superior and get a permission slip to load your van. We're not allowed to load vans here. You're not allowed to load vans? No, not without a permission slip. Off he disappeared. Came back out 15 minutes later. He's not there. I said, so what are you going to do? He went, I'll just put it on. Leather mittens. So anyway, he starts to load up, guy. Oh, he says, I forgot the sign. Then he jumps out and he runs round the front of the van. A little laminated A4 green sheet with vehicle being loaded on it, and stuck it on my windscreen. And then got back and spent all of 27 seconds lifting the pallet onto the back of my van. Do you know, we all have to be health and safety conscious, don't we? But you do reach a point where you say, guys, this is Monty Python level. Just put the pallet on, please. Oh my word. Oh, there. And that's our shave. That's our leather mittens, guys. We did them. We've got a shave, and I can tell you right now, the skin on my neck is burning and my top lip is burning because I've overshaved. Because I've said it before, although I have iron filings for a beard, I have very, very sensitive skin underneath it. And there it is. Check this out, guys. If you are thinking about getting this, I love PEA brushes anyway. I'm not a PEA fanboy, but I love PEA brushes. You will not be disappointed with this. If you've never had a PEA brush, but you need a soft knotted brush, well then this is a no-brainer. There you go. That's it. I'm getting ahead of myself here. Oh. Come on, John. Splash. I could hear you all. No! I won't sleep tonight if it doesn't put the splash on. Oh my word. Yeah, wow. Oh, I can feel that. Oh, I can feel that. Oh my word. I can. My skin does not like being shaved too often, guys. It doesn't. We'll put a bit of Dermot or Dreary on there. Yeah, the lines come through in the after splash. Yeah. My skin does not like that at all. Okay, here we go. Look at that. We did okay, didn't we? We did okay. I'll keep it brief because this is my second video in 2 days. Look after yourselves, guys. Look after each other. And remember, be the change you wish to see in the world. Don't say I can't and I won't. Say I can and I will. I went to wink with that eye then and changed it split second to that eye and sat like anyway, have fun, and I will see you all on Saturday for the Saturday shave. We'll see what we can pull out the bag. It's going to be a good one. Bye.